Are you still worried about receiving negative reviews due to poor backpack quality? Excellent quality control and testing give customers peace of mind, saving both time and money. Take a look at Sunriva backpacks. They can withstand vigorous tugging by 2 adults. Let's take a look at the issues presented in the picture again. The fabric is torn around a high load area of the backpack. In another case, fabric damage appears together with an opened seam. Several factors may be involved: body fabric strength, internal backing coverage, webbing overlap, stitch pattern and thread, needle density and tension, seam placement, repeated loading and abrasion. Adding more stitches does not automatically solve the problem. At Sunriva, buyers can request reinforcement details, semi-finished structure photos, and agreed sample testing during OEM/ODM development. More stitches do not automatically mean a stronger connection. The pattern must match the material and load direction. We use real feedback to improve future samples and production details, not simply as a promotional statement. For Sunriva, quality is not one pulling shot or one inspection step. It is the connection between sampling, production, testing, and feedback. Send us your backpack specifications to discuss reinforcement details, samples, testing, or an OEM/ODM quotation.